what's up? It's me, Taylor, and we have my dad here. In today's video, we're gonna be getting ready for a moose hunt in, like, when?
1 week.
1 week? 1 week, we're going for a moose hunt?
Tomorrow, moose hunting.
Tomorrow, moose hunting?
1 week from tomorrow.
Oh, okay, 1 week from tomorrow. So we're headed to the ranges with Isaac and John. Isaac is my sub permittee, like I mentioned in my last video. We need to get some practice in so we can be ready. I plan on shooting the moose with either my 308. Dad wants me to shoot it with one of his guns, but
Isaac's gonna man up and do that for you.
yeah, he's gonna man up and
shoot the 300 short mag.
Yep. So I'm shooting the 308. He's shooting whatever the other gun is. I don't know, but you know. So we'll see you guys there. Hey guys, so we're back. We've got Isaac here.
Hi.
Yep. My dad just did a test round on the 308 here. The gun I will be using with my Money Girl camo, obviously. Sub permittee.
Hi.
Yep. He's gonna be killing the moose as well. Dads are down there.
Mine's the one with the gray sweatshirt, unfortunately.
Unfortunately. Wow, Isaac. Wow.
What?
That's rude.
Oh, sorry.
Unfortunately. Dad's the one in the black. And then we have the 300 short mag that Isaac's gonna be shooting.
I'm shooting that.
You're gonna man up for me and shoot it, 'cause
I will easily shoot that thing.
Okay, well, we'll get some more footage here. See how Isaac did. Do you think your gun's
Was that the way it was set up before?
Yep.
So he's just pulling a little bit.
Nice job, Isaac.
Hold on the target, squeeze back. So you guys, as you can tell, Isaac just shot with his gun. Which one are you using, Isaac?
270.
He shot with his 270. Here's his group. My group, you guys already saw. It's pretty clear to see that I outshot him.
Yes, Taylor. You don't need to say it 18 million times.
Well, we debated this.
My scope is also off because we didn't get it zeroed in. Daddy zeroed yours in for you.
Okay. Well, you know.
What?
We're getting the target reset up so we can shoot some
You
more.
want to stand that up?
Yep. Okay. Get set up. This one, Dad's about to put a couple more bullets in here, and then we're gonna head out. Okay guys, so we just got back from, actually we've been done for a while. We got McDonald's.
Not back, we're still driving.
Well, yeah, we're still, whatever. But we are on our way home. We got some good rounds in. Had shot his gun. Isaac shot his, I shot mine. We did pretty good. I feel like we're almost ready. Pretty much ready. We've got like 1 week left.
We're not even close to ready.
I think I'm ready.
Yeah, because all you have to do is show up and shoot.
Well, that's true. Yeah. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you're excited for the moose hunt. Yeah. So, see you guys in the next video. Bye.